Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. From today onwards we are going to see a WordPress tutorial guide for beginner. So in this series of WordPress development we will start from beginner to advanced. In this video we will see how to install WordPress in localhost. In coming videos we will see how to install WordPress in free web hosting live server, and then we will create a WordPress website in a local host and database and all, and then we will migrate a website from localhost to live server. And for security point of view we will see how to install SSL certificate on our domain, and finally we will develop a e-commerce website with all the features on live server. So first what I am going to do is, in Google type wordpress.org, click on this first link, click here get WordPress. Now click over here download WordPress 5.1 8.1. That means this is the latest version of WordPress. Click it. Now I am going to pause this because this I have already downloaded. So let's see. See, zip file of WordPress 5.8.1 is downloaded. Now what I have to do is cut this file and go to Jam server, and inside it htdoc, and paste it. Now we have to extract this WordPress file. I think it will take one minute to extract all the file. Now see, this file has successfully extracted. Now let me delete this zip file. Okay, let me first start my Jam server. And if you don't know, if you have not installed Jam server in your local computer, then I will give link in my description. Please check it to see how to install Jam server in your local computer. So let me start my Jam server first. Now type localhost, then WordPress, let me cut this all the file and paste over here. and delete this WordPress folder. Now type localhost, then WordPress. Now click continue. By default we have selected English, United States. Leave as it is and click on continue. And click on let's go. When we will install WordPress in our local host, by downloading WordPress from wordpress.org website, so what you have to do is we have to first connect with our database. So in that cases we have to give this database name, username, password, database host, and then submit it. So at present I have not made database. So for making database, what you have to do is click on localhost, click on my PHP my admin. See friend, from here we can create a database. And by creating a database we can give the name of database, username, password, database host name. But as of now there is one more method to install WordPress in our local host. So let's see that. Close it first. In first method, what we have done, we have just downloaded WordPress from wordpress.org website and extract into our htdoc folder. But here what I am going to do is type localhost. In XAMPP dashboard also WordPress is present, so we can download it from here also. So see here, WordPress, all this software we can download it from by using this XAMPP server. So let me click this WordPress. Let's see. Yeah, this WordPress 5.8.1 is present in for Windows and for Linux. So at present I am using Windows operating system, that is why I will download this window file. So let me click this. See friend, we can sign in from here. We can sign in either from Google or Facebook or GitHub or Microsoft, but here we can also download it without signing. So I am clicking this one. Just take me to the download. Let me pause this because this one I have already downloaded. So let me pause this. And go to download. See, Bitnami WordPress 5.8.1 installer. So let me double click on this. Click on yes. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to install in our local computer. So click OK. Now click next. I am going to install it in our C drive. You can also install in either C or D drive, anyone, but here I am using C drive. Click next. To set up WordPress dashboard, we need to provide this essential information. So login name you have to give. So here I am using root. Email addresses I am using is take s application password I am using and click on next. And click on next, and again click next, and again click next, and again click on next. In first of the cases, friend, when we have downloaded WordPress from wordpress.org website, in that cases we have to create database manually by going into phpMyAdmin. But here we don't have to create database manually, it will create automatically. Let's see. Once it will be downloaded, it will not ask us to create database. See, here it is creating database. Now click on finish. See, this is our website look like. So let me check database. Click on this phpMyAdmin. See, when we have installed WordPress by using XAMPP dashboard, then in these cases database has all automatically created. But in first cases, when I am trying to install WordPress in my local host by downloading from wordpress.org website, in that cases we need to create a database, but here database is automatically created. So let's see, this is our website look like. So if we want to access our WordPress dashboard, so write dashboard over here, enter. See, in order to log in into WordPress dashboard, we have to give username and password. So at that time you have given username as a root and password as a password. Here I have entered. Now click login. By giving username and password, we can enter into a WordPress dashboard. See, this is a WordPress dashboard. From here we can customize our website. So finally we have successfully installed WordPress in our local host. So in next video we will see how to install WordPress on a live server. The live server would be a free hosting. Then afterwards we will do all the basic setting in this WordPress dashboard. All the basic settings in WordPress dashboard, how to manage plugins, how to install themes and all, everything we will see in a coming video. So please stay tuned so that you can get a latest video. And if you think this video is really helpful to you, then please like it and support me, and your support means a lot for us. Thanks for watching and have a good day.